Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video is yet another unboxing video, I'm afraid. So stay tuned and I'll show you what the box contains. The thing that I bought, I was made aware of it by, I think it was Look Fantastic. I'll keep you guessing a bit longer, yeah. And it said if you bought over a certain amount of stuff, you got this other thing for a good price. I think it was for £69 or something like that. And the stuff is worth, I went on the Look Fantastic website and all of a sudden the offer was there when I first went on, and then it just suddenly disappeared. So I'm assuming that they sold out. They've got the freebie at the retail price available. But I mean, why would you want to pay that for it? Anyway, I did a bit of searching and I had to go on the actual brand's website. The thing that I got is a nice package from Estée Lauder. Probably guessed from the title and the thumbnail anyway that it is the Blockbuster set for 2021. You had to spend £46 or more to get the Blockbuster set at a special price. So I purchased that. I can't remember if I'd purchased that or whether that's a freebie. I'll put the price on screen so that you can see exactly what I bought. Why have they put all that in there? Because all that happens with this, unless it's special sort of something, it just ends up in landfill. So I'm trying to get this out without tipping this lot all over the place. So this is the box that everything comes in, and it includes 5 full-size favourites. Open it up and have a look and have a few swatches. So I'm assuming then that everything's in here. That's what we've got in here. I'll go through everything now and tell you what there is. Some of these are, this is a little leaflet here, tells you about the eyeshadow palettes. So you've got Candy Glam and Candy Glow. So this is Candy Glow. Let's open it up. Oh, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. So this is Bronze Goddess Medium. We've got, oh, they're just numbered, the other ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do some swatching. So I'll come a bit closer. Do a bit more. It's not very pigmented. It might not be showing up though, it might just be my skin tones. The darker one. Now that one's showing up. I think we've got a mixture of mattes and shimmers in here, because this one here looks like it's got some shimmer to it, and this one is that one. That is that darker one there. Right, let's do this pinky one. This one. I don't know if that's going to show up on my arm anyway. And this one. There. So that is Candy Glow. And this one is Candy Glam. So we've got a blush in this one. I think the other one was it a bronzer? So it's quite a muted shade of pink blush. So a little bit different from the other one. You got blue here, you got this like amethyst colour. I think I'm going to use this one to do a look. So let's start with this one. And this one. And again, they're just numbered, so they've not given them a name. Do a bit more of that one, it's not really showing up that well. Again, it looks like a mixture of, some of them look like they've got a bit of a shimmer to them, but I'd say the majority of them are matte. So we've got, looks a bit like micellar water. It's eye makeup remover, and there's 100 ml in there. Doesn't really have a smell. Let's do the skincare next. So we've got some Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. For all skin types. How much is in there? 7 ml in there. I'm not sure if this is the same product, and that's just a smaller one of it. This is definitely larger size, 15 ml in there. And we've got, I think I'm going to be smothering my face in this later, some Advanced Night Repair, and there is 30 ml in there, so it's one of those dropper ones. Let's have a look at the consistency. It's thicker than a water, but not quite a gel, I would say. I think that's just another one, the same, but obviously a smaller one. 7 ml in there. Onto lips now. We've got 4 different lip products here. So we have got Pure Colour Envy Wicked Gleam. I'm assuming it's a lip product. Yeah, I think it is. It's sort of like a dark pinky red. And the other one is Pure Colour Envy Naked Truth. like a pale pink colour. Then we've got 2 lipsticks, Pure Colour Envy in the colour Carnal. There we go, that's the colour. Let's do a swatch. That's very red. I'm not sure, I don't think I'm a red lipstick person. And the last lipstick is Discreet. So I'm assuming from the name that this is going to be like a nude colour. Yeah. That's probably more my kind of colour. So that's Carnal and that's nude. And the last thing in the box is some mascara. Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. I think that it's just reflecting back. They smell really nice, these.
One eternity later.
Like a lip balm. Like I've got loads of this, so it'll keep me going forever. I'll be able to plaster it all on. So now I'm just going to, I haven't got any eye makeup on at the moment, so I'm just going to do a quick look with one of these palettes. I think I'm going to use the second one that I opened. I'm going to take this one all over my eye. I'm just going to use my finger for that one. So that's the eyes done. There wasn't fallout from it. I've already got a tiny bit on. But what I'll do is I'll put it in a few different places. What I'll do now is I'll just go into the other one and use the bronzer. That's the eyes sorted. I know I've not put mascara on yet. the mascara. It's quite a long brush. Not too bad. It would look better. I can't find my eyelash curlers. I've put them somewhere and don't know what I've done with them. So I'm going to go with Discreet. I'm absolutely rubbish with lipstick. And there we have it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you got this or got it? I know they bring one out every year, don't they? But it's a bit different each year. So let me know what you think. Is it worth the money that they say it is? That's it for this video. Don't forget to and I'll see you very soon in another video. So bye for now, everyone. Bye. So it is the Sumptuous Excrete